Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX. And for those of you that watched my former video, you recall me talking about the crash. We were on the crash 300. Recall me talking about having a resistance here. I'm going to play that to you.
The resistance, this resistance is going to stand and it's going to put that market down. Okay.
So now you see that the market has actually respected that place I said. Although market went up, we have our SL at 40, 30, I think 38, something about around that region, because our SL is just above this our resistance. So you see that market has decided to go back. It went back up. Let me show you this 15 minutes. See this? This is just a candlestick of 15 minutes. So it went back up but didn't get close to the former high and didn't really get to touch our resistance because our SL is somewhere around here. Okay, and now market has been dropping. So that's why I was telling you that this indicates that that support, this resistance is actually a strong one and it's going to pull down, because at the point we were at a loss again, as you can see it here.
But our crash 300 is back
So
in
we were
loss,
at a loss and
but
now
we
we are
still
back
expect
in
it to keep
profit.
crashing.
And after the whole thing, I now decided to give my VIPs a sell on this trade. I gave them a sell on this trade because I saw something on the 5 minutes, or was it on the 5 minutes? I saw something on the higher time frame, and I saw that market. Okay, yeah, I think on the higher time frame, I saw that market went back up and started rejecting, and I decided to go in for a sell when it has come down, and we are in massive profits now. As you can see, we are legitimately making huge money. So let me show you this. This is the VIP, and I gave this as a free signal as well. Okay, this is the sell the C300, and this is the sell the VIX 75 with the SL given and all of that, and we are actually milking the market. So I don't know why you've not joined the VIP room. And as for the Blue Boy, the free Telegram channel is free to join, but once in a while we drop free signals, but it's not that every time. It might come once a month, twice a month, once a week, twice a week, anytime. But as for the VIPs, they win every day. Okay, they win every day. And this was the trade given today. So the C300 I had to share with everybody, but I didn't share the VIX75 with the free Telegram channel users. Nah, I did not do that. But even this VIX100 one is I didn't share with them, but I think I shared another one like some days ago. I think it was a crash 300. Yes, of course it was a crash 300. I shared it with the free Telegram channel and also with everyone. Okay, so that's why you should join the Blue Boy team and you're gonna enjoy making money with us. So now let's get to the crash. On the previous video I showed you guys how to use crash, how to use this indicator on crash and boom. Now I want to show you something different, entirely different. Now, have you seen this candlestick here? I want to tell you something. Do you believe that this market is actually going to start selling? Because this is a 1 hour time frame and this candlestick will be closing in the next 15 to 16 minutes. Now let's see this. You see this is a huge rejection, and at that level we have a support. We have a resistance rather, where market is likely to reject from. If you look at this place and here, you see that market likely to reject from that point, but it might just have to break this level first, this level here, and we will now be convinced that it might actually be going back down. But if you look at the 4 hours, and if it were a bigger screen, you see that I have a trend line running and it shows a downtrend. And what if market is respecting that trend? Okay, although it has broken it a bit, I can't, you can't actually get the patterns very correct, but there is a very big possibility that market might actually start pulling down from that region. Okay, it might actually start pulling down from that region. Okay, being that it's a downtrend on the higher time frame. And if you even look at this on the higher time frame as well, this is the 4 hours, and you see the rejection coming. Okay, and the 4 hours is going to be closing in 1 hour and 15 minutes, I guess. And on the 1 hour, you see a huge rejection here, although this one was a very good, this was a pull up, okay, which actually affected this other candlestick. But now you see that it has started dropping. Okay, the momentum is dropping. So if you join the Blue Boy mentorship channel, okay, you're going to enjoy a whole lot of services. teaching you how to make this thing come out to play like magic, because it's very magical. Imagine if I got into this trade by now, I think I would have made a couple of bucks, but I'm not in a hurry because I have a trade running already. So guys, make sure you join the Blue Byte team. You're gonna enjoy every bit of it. Now let's see. I don't really trade jump, but the jump 100 is not here, but let's look at the jump 75. Jump, it's been months since I last traded jump. And well, I have nothing against it. No, I have nothing against it, but it's been a long time because it's actually very less predictable, except you go in from the right entry, because you can just decide to jump. It comes like spike sometimes, okay? To just spike up and get away with your money. So this is a 30 minutes time frame, and up here I can see this. I can see that. You see that is a very strong support. Let's go to the 1 hour so that it can be clearer. You've seen that this place is a very huge support. And at this juncture, I just have to wait for this candle to close. And let me see the way it's going to close. It's going to close bearish, bullish, or it's going to give me some kind of rejection candlesticks, and I'm going to know what to do next. And there's how the candle might close, and I won't still get into the market. Why? Because I want it to show me a better proof of how this thing works. Okay, so whenever you get on the market, you have to look out for the direction of the market, look out for support, resistance, play with different time frames. From there, you'll be able to capture anything that you want. The market is full of noises, especially on the lower time frame, but once you go on the higher time frame, and this higher time frame, what is it showing us? It's an uptrend. You see that is an uptrend, and now is an uptrend, and we have a very strong resistance here. So you have to be very careful while trading this pay right now, because we are actually waiting for it to break here. If it breaks this level and retest, then it's going to go up, but there's a very huge possibility as well that this market might actually reject from here. But if I'm to go in here, is for me to set my SL around this region, which is going to be the best thing to do. So guys, I just hope that these little things I'm saying is not confusing you, rather is going to clarify your knowledge on trading forex. Sometimes people use indicators. I barely use indicators. I don't even really like using indicators because I can't count on it. Okay, I can't count on it. So guys, make sure you check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my free Telegram channel. You're also going to find the link to my own personal WhatsApp in case you want to text me to join the VIP for mentorship, or you want to account managed or your profit and pass. Hit me up. I'm available for you. Okay, so that was a jump 75. I just did an analysis on it, and let's go back to our VIX 75. Okay, let's just check something out on VIX 51s. I think I had an analysis here. Okay, fine. You see this? What if this analysis is going to be respected? You see that I had this line already drawn. I did not just draw it. It's been a while I traded 51s. I think it's up to like 5 days. Okay, so you've seen that this might actually be where market is likely to pull down. Now let's go to the daily because I have to see clearly. Okay, so on the daily, you see it might actually be a sign of retest. But what if market actually starts playing us from that region? So you see here that we have a support, a resistance rather, not a support, because all these trades have been buying, and also this is a direct trend, obvious uptrend. And now on the higher time frame, we have this place that market is likely to pull back from. If you look at the previous 4 hours, you see that it bought up to this level, but there was a pullback. There was a pullback and market started dropping. So is it going to respect here? There are a lot of things that you're going to learn. There are a lot of things that you have to be patient to see, and I'm going to be teaching you all those stuff if you join the Blue Byte team. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, because this week's analysis might actually be coming up and you might actually know what to look out for in the market. So thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for continuing to support, because when I got in here first, you guys kept me going by viewing and joining and giving testimonies, and I'm very thankful for that. So thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you guys making money, because you have to get out of the poverty right now, and you're gonna help yourself, because heaven helps us and helps themselves. You can't just sit down by on the sideline waiting for good things to come. No, you have to work towards it. Okay, you have to work towards it. So thanks for watching this video. Let's get you out of the poverty. See you guys.